Welcome back to the channel. Now, I've had this car for a little over a year and a half, and I am already at 31,632 miles on this car. I commute for work, and I drive around 200 miles from Central Florida to South Florida, and I've never changed my wipers. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your wipers. I went ahead and used my Tesla points, just because I had 500 points from a referral that someone else used to purchase their own Tesla. And I used basically about $50 out of the $500 to get my replacement windshield wipers, which was pretty cheap. And it actually got here in about a week. It actually didn't take that long to receive the new windshield wiper blades. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So once you're here on your main page, we're going to go all the way down here to the main menu. And if you're not sure how to find something, you can always use this nifty little feature up here. And you can just type in wiper. And you can see right there, wiper service mode. You can tap on that and it'll take you right to it. But because I know where I'm going with this, I can actually just go directly to, if you think about what you're doing, you are servicing the car. So kind of makes sense for it to be in the service section right here. So service section, and you have your car with your PSI. You scroll up a little bit and it's that second option right there. So let me show you real quick how it looks like once you hit that button, what the wipers are doing. So you see them coming up and they come back down. So what this does is, because the wipers are so almost buried under the lip of your bonnet section right there, it's hard to actually reach underneath there. So what this mode does, it brings them up like so, so that you have easy access to actually reach both of those sections. So I'm going to show you next actually how to remove these, and being very, very careful with not smacking the end pieces right into the glass. Even though those are plastic, you still don't want to smack them into your windshield, just so that you don't end up cracking it or maybe breaking the plastic end pieces right there. So I like to spray the windshield first and actually get all the grime off, clean it very well before I actually even pull the wipers back up. So clean everything in between them, underneath them. All right, so now we're going to actually remove the passenger side blade. First, we're going to lift the arm slightly off the windshield, and I'm going to press on this button and actually just pull on the blade firmly until it pops off. Now you can put a towel down on the windshield if you like, or just place it really gently back on the glass. All right, so now we're going to do the driver's side. Same thing, we're going to press on the button and we're going to pull on this top end until it just pops off. And again, real gently, we're going to place it back down. Now, I like to go ahead and clean the glass again to make sure that I'm getting all the grime off, because even though you're picking up the old blades off, some of that grime might fall back on the glass, so I just want to make sure that I don't have any extra dirt that's in there. Now, I like to use a spray away glass cleaner, which is ammonia-free and foam. It actually doesn't leave any streaks on there, so I'll leave that in the description below as well if you guys want to check it out. But I've been using this for a lot of years. All right, so we're going to clean this thoroughly and put that thing right back down very gently. All right, so these packages came in from Tesla, really well packaged. It took me a minute to get even the package open, so I'm going to speed this up a little bit for you guys. But once you pull it out, look at this. It is wrapped upon wrapped. It's got bubble wrap on it. I couldn't figure out if there was a seam. I kept dancing with this thing, losing my mind. I'm like, all right, time to get scissors. So now once I get the scissors, I finally get this opened. There it is. So there is the part number. That is the shorter blade, which is the passenger side. And now let me show you the driver's side, which is a little bit longer. It is 26 inches long on the driver's side and 20 inches for the driver's side. Here's a comparison of the old ones and the new ones. All right, let's go ahead and install them. All right, so I like to start with the one that I pulled off last, which is the driver's side. So I'm pulling this off the packaging. Now you can see that there is the same tab again. There it is. Make sure to aim it in the same direction inward. So lift the arm gently and basically just slide it in until you hear that little click. Oh, hold on. Push it right back in until you see that button click into place and it's nicely and secure. Put it back down All right, thumbs up. Now let's do the passenger side. Make sure it is the shorter one, which is 20 inches long, and same thing. Make sure to slide this end towards the wiper arm. So we're going to slide it right in the same direction as this little button. Push it in firmly until it snaps into place. Okay, so now that we've installed the new wiper blades onto your Tesla, we're going to go back into the service page right here, and we're going to just retract them back down. And that's pretty much it. This is a really good thing to know so that you don't end up having to spend money on labor costs for somebody else to replace your windshield wipers, especially if you have any Tesla credits. You can just buy the parts yourself, and it's very, very simple, just like you saw here today. But let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about this? Do you spend money on having somebody else do it for you? Or are you a little thrifty like I am and just do it yourself? Like always, please like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.